Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing your PC. Make sure Windows 11 is updated and virtualization is enabled so emulators run smoothly. Once done, download the official Android Studio installer and, if your package needs it, a 64-bit JDK. Android Studio often bundles a JDK, so check the installer options. You should free at least 8 GB of space and have 8 GB of RAM available. This reduces long installs and slow builds. Now run the installer as administrator to begin. You proceed through the installer selecting the standard configuration so core plugins and SDK tools arrive automatically, because that balances speed and capability. Once the IDE is installed, open SDK Manager and set the SDK path. Default is under your local app data, which keeps tools organized. Then install a recent Android 12 Plus system image and device emulator. Pick an x86-64 image for best performance. Make sure Hyper-V or Intel Haxum is enabled for hardware acceleration. You finish by creating a new project. Pick an empty activity or compose template, and then run it on your emulator or a real device to verify the setup. If using a phone, enable USB debugging in developer options and confirm with the DB devices. This ensures deployment works. If the emulator won't start, make sure virtualization is still enabled, reinstall Intel Haxum, or enable the Windows Hypervisor platform, and check SDK Manager for missing emulator components. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.